Greetings from Vancouver. Paul Drowan, President and CEO of LifeSciences British Columbia. It's been a year since I started in this role, and I thought it appropriate to give an update to everyone. 31 sponsors, 206 members. We cannot do it without your support. Our gold, silver, and bronze sponsorship and the renewals of our membership allow LifeSciences British Columbia to continue the work that we do. We want to add value, and you made it very clear to us last year in the survey that value has very specific deliverables. Access to capital, government policy that supports our community, and of course, as we look at the value offerings, our job postings that had 100,000 visits, as well as BioLinks, which comes out now twice a week to make sure that we're giving the news of both the community but also the broader life science space. Events are really a piece that bring the community together, and you ask for networking opportunities. So we devised 8 Blake Breakfast Series where we have themes of medical devices, digital health, biopharma, and of course health policy. The McCarthy Spotlight, where we bring in both national and international speakers, Minister Leach from our federal government, Wim de Vellier, the Dean of Academic Health Sciences at the University of Cape Town, and of course Doug Crawford from QB3. The awards dinner, presenting sponsor Ferris, allowed us to celebrate what's great about our community. 475 people came to celebrate with us as we recognized 6 very worthy participants and recipients of the Life Science BC Award. We then went to San Diego, where we had an opportunity to showcase what is great about our community. The Life Science magazine captured much of that. However, with our panelists, as well as the skillful moderation that Colin Hansen provided, and Minister Wilkinson being with us for our entire time there, we really were able to show what's great about British Columbia research, translation, and of course commercialization. We also looked to reestablish committees last year. The Finance Committee, the Membership Committee, the MedTech Committee, and of course the Policy Committee. These committees will provide recommendations to Victoria as well as Ottawa as to what a meaningful knowledge-based economy with life science in it needs to prosper and to grow. We had roundtables with Minister Wilkinson ahead of the awards. We had a roundtable with Doug Crawford ahead of his presentation, and we'll continue roundtables as we go into the autumn. We also had a new feature and a program, the Life Sciences British Columbia Sauder Summer Internship, where we placed 12 MBAs into our community. These MBAs have provided meaningful contributions to the companies, as the companies have told us, and we look forward to expanding the program next year. Externally, we've been asked to participate in the Innovation Boulevard Committee, the Pacific Health Innovation Exchange Committee, and we were able to testify in front of the International Standing Committee for Industry, where we commented on what CETA and the changes that CETA will bring means to our community. So I hope you'll agree that over the last 12 months, we've added value to the community, to your company, and to you. We also want to ensure that we build on our success. We're going to continue with the Blake's Breakfast Series. Digital health, biopharma, medical devices, and health policy as the themes. The McCarthy Breakfast Series will continue as well to look at our opportunity to bring national and international speakers in to spotlight them as part of the McCarthy Spotlight. Roundtables will continue as well. We had success with Minister Wilkinson, with Doug Crawford. We're going to do a CFO roundtable and look for other opportunities as we go forward. As well, the awards dinner will continue with our presenting sponsor, Ferris. Sanofi Biogenius with Nicole Tizia, who won both the local, national, and went on to compete internationally. Huge success for our community and for the young talent that our community has. We're going to continue to work with the Ministry of International Trade, our co-host at Bio, as we host medical device executives from China coming in the fall. As we look at next year, there's significant possibilities for our community. we're going to try and progress on a number of fronts. Access to capital being a significant one. However, with innovation and technology, we also need access to the market. We need to have that innovation rewarded, and we'll work to see that that moves forward as well. We want to engage in meaningful educational initiatives that help organizations overcome barriers to move their innovation, their technologies to commercialization and to the market faster. We want to look at a membership and a sponsorship structure that is actually of value to both and very visible in the value that it provides. And therefore, we will be restructuring that moving forward as it hasn't changed in the last 10 years. We also want to ensure that resources are available to our community. And the committee structure will continue to make recommendations for the knowledge-based economy that is ours in life science, such that governments both locally, provincially, and federally see the value that we bring and support our growing sector. And finally, our top 10 position as a life science cluster in the world, we want to continue to build upon that. Look at the areas where we're strong, where we have expertise, and really develop that so that we can draw in both companies, individuals, as well as capital to support the continued growth. It's been an exciting 12 months, and I look forward to working with you for another 12 months to really make sure that life sciences in British Columbia is the place that companies and individuals want to be and help us grow. This is Paul Drohan, CEO of Life Sciences British Columbia, saying thank you so much for a fantastic year, and I look forward to continuing to work with you moving forward. Till then, cheers.